Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. In today's video overview, we're going to take a look at the T20 Studio Boom Arm. I've been using it the last few days here. It's awesome. And I've been using it with my Blue Yeti, and I'll show you the setup of how I use it for my recordings here and moving forward in the future. So this is the box. I took off the shipping label, so I apologize if it looks a little bit tacky from that standpoint. I did take all the stuff out of it, but what's interesting here is all the stuff that you do get with it. So you got the mount clamp, you got the arm stand, you got a pop filter, and then you also get a mic clip. So let me show you the contents of what the box has. There's a lot of goodies. Let's do this. Okay, so when you take everything out of the box, this is what you get. So from left to right, you have 4 Tonor Velcro strips. You get a sock filter that goes over your Blue Yeti or similar microphone. You get a 5/8 inch to 3/8 inch coupler adapter, so that's great for like the Blue Yeti microphone to attach the actual mic arm itself, which is there in the middle. Next, you have the actual clamp. What's cool about this clamp is the gap is about 2.4 inches, so it accepts a variety of thickness of depth. And also, this part here, you can also use it to like hang your headphones. So like, for imagine this is already clamped, you can hang your headphones right here. Save some space. It's pretty cool. I like that feature. You get the pop filter, of course. You have this, so you have a different kind of microphone to clamp on. You can use this for an extension on the end there. And then you also get the T20 Studio Boom Arm instruction manual. Pretty basic. I want to say that when you put everything together, it takes about 2 minutes maybe, like that. But I think the hardest part is trying to figure out where do you want to put your actual microphone in your office, on your table, to give you the best performance and ease of use, basically. So what I'm going to do is let me put this together and pick a convenient spot here in my office, and I'll show you what that looks like when all is said and done. So let's see you in the next portion of the video. Let's do this. Alright, so I got the setup here. So basically I'm using my second desk that my computer is on the left hand side, and I found out that is basically the most optimum setup as of right now for my current arrangement in my office here. So what I got is I got the clamp, I got the arm installed, of course, I got the Blue Yeti installed, and then what I could do, let's say I'm getting ready to do a voiceover for a game or a YouTube video or what have you, then what I could do here is do this. I could turn it like that. Let me connect my USB cable here. Since when I try to fold it all compact, my cable gets disconnected, but I can easily fix that in the future. And then let's say that I got this, so let's say if I choose to use the pop filter, it's like, okay, fine. And then I can tighten the clamp down, and then get it where I want it to be. So I'm sitting right here at my desk with my chair. You know, here I am in front of my computer. Hey guys, welcome to Project Phoenix Media, yada, yada, yada. And then life is good and we're good to go. And then once I'm done, or maybe there are times when I don't need a pop filter for whatever reason. I could be like, okay, I don't need a pop filter. Let's take this guy off. And then away we go, right? And then when I'm done, I can just do this. I can loosen the clamps. Oops, I could do this. And then I can go this, put it down, put it in storage, so to speak, and away we go. So it's only like 30 bucks on Amazon. It's really, I really like it compared to what my old setup was, which was using this Blue Yeti stand. It came with the Blue Yeti originally, and it, you know, it works, but you know, it sort of gets in the way if you're trying to game and whatnot. So to have something else that holds your Yeti in the air, mid-air, is pretty convenient for a lot of different applications. So that's today's video overview of the Tonor T20 mic boom arm stand. You guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.